Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how you can add a section to your homepage in Wix. So first is you have to go to Wix and then select the site that you want to add a section on the page. So first is you have to go to the homepage, of course, and then you just have to click on this icon right here at the left side of your screen, which is the add section. You just have to click on this one. So in this video, I'm going to show you two ways in how to add sections. So the first one is this one, and then you'll be able to see your different templates. You can go to the welcome, about, gallery, or teams. Here for this video example, let's just go to the welcome and then use one of their templates. Okay, so you just have to select that specific template, and then you can drag this one, or you can simply click on it, and it will be directed, added to your home page. Okay, then right here you can also edit all of the elements that is in here, or you can delete all of the elements that is in here, and you can add your own tags, your own heading, and you can actually drag this section at the top or the bottom. It will depends on you. Okay, so you can go ahead and edit the buttons for this one. So the button page design of the elements, you can do that as well, but let's not focus on that. And then the second way is you can simply click one of this section right here, and you can see the add section option. So you just have to click on it, and once you've done that, you'll be able to see this option once again. So you can go to welcome, about, galleries. It's just the same, but it's just different ways in how to get there. Okay, so you just have to select the template that you want to use, and right here you can extend the section that you have added. So for example, you want to extend it at the top, or you want to extend it at the bottom, you can actually do that and actually drag this section at the bottom, or you can actually drag this section at the top. So you can place it anywhere you want. So you just have to make sure that you've got enough space for this new section. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.